Oh, hello there. Season's greetings from our home to yours.
As you can see, we're dedicated to succeeding in life, and we take our studies very seriously.
Get Blizzard for winter formal theme is in no way, shape, or form related to alcohol consumption.
It is merely a reference to A, the blizzardy weather here in Southern California.
Blizzard. Blizzard. Yes. And B, Dairy Queen's delicious frozen treat. Their blizzards are fly, like a G6.
Just like our winter formal theme. So vote for it, or Casey will break your nose.